Hello and welcome to Blockchain Gaming World with me, John Jordan. So I've been doing some videos about Blocklords Dynasty, the browser-based companion game to Blocklords, and I thought worth doing a video about how it sort of connects with Blocklords, the strategy PC game. So I've done, over the sort of year actually, I've done a few videos about Blocklords, the PC game. It's been going through various sort of phases. I've actually not got very far with it really, but there we go. But what we have going on here, as we can see. We have the Dynasty game airdrop, and we have a new game pass as well, which sort of links into what is happening here. So this is sort of the interface for what's going on in my Dynasty account. So we can see here, it doesn't really actually show very much. I'm actually level 5 here, so it's showing that. It doesn't actually show these are updates which I have actually updated in the Dynasty, or the first 3 I've updated in Dynasty. So these are like upgrades to your in-game characters. It's not actually showing those up. I don't quite know why that is. Obviously just a sort of a database connection that's not gone live. Doesn't really matter, just this is would show you what's happening. Obviously lots of marketing about go and play Dynasty now, and here's the QR code. You can play it on mobile or browser, obviously. So you can also see renown. So this is what I've got. Renown is the main currency in the Dynasty game. So use that to level things up, or open chests, which may give you orbs. Mausoleum is interesting. So this is where if your character gets killed in the Dynasty game, normally would be in a brawl, in a duel, or could be on a mission, then they become fallen heroes. And you can see here you have to actually transfer them from Dynasty into your game, so you actually have to sort of click them through. But you gain a bit of renown from those. So at the moment, I get 40 renown a day from my fallen heroes here. So it's not really very much, but I suppose it's something. It gives these characters. You can actually go and buy these. So fallen heroes are NFTs. You can go and buy them, obviously very, very cheap. But it doesn't really give you very much renown. But it's sort of I guess one layer in the game. I don't have any of the more expensive ones. These are just the basic heroes that got killed. So here we have a game drop thing going on here. So it looks like only 7 days left of this. There's a whole bunch of the Lords tokens, which you'll get if you are on the legendary rank in the duels. I'm not. I'm just on the bronze rank, so I'm not going to get any of that. And there's this orb system as well. If you have orbs, you get each orb gets you an allocation of the Lords token as well. So part 1 is to mint and fuse orbs, and then there's another option where you can burn them as well. So there we go, and what upcoming does. Okay, yeah, this is an interesting one. Marriage. Further on, you can allow players to form alliances and actually get marriages and have children and all that sort of stuff. So that's sort of interesting. And I guess more interesting for the sort of actually what's going on in the game here is if we go to the season pass. So obviously we have missions in. This is within Blocklords. I have to do things, and I will gain XP. But more interesting from this point of view is these are Dynasty rewards. So I've won 10 duels, so I win 20 XP in Blocklords. I've used equipment, and I've successfully completed 50 battles. And obviously there's other ones I can do to win 20 times, export heroes back between the accounts, all that sort of stuff. So that gives me a bit of I don't know if I can unlock anything else. So it gives me so I can now unlock the basic brewmaster pack because I've got enough XP to do that. So I'm just going to get some, not very much in-game resources, but some in-game resources. Obviously, if I bought the brewmaster battle pass here, then I would unlock all these extra chests and gold and renown. Obviously $10, probably worth it. I'll probably do a video about that at some stage. How many days left is it on? Not sure it tells you how many days left. Can't see. Anyway, if I bought it now, I would unlock a whole bunch of stuff straight away. And you also get a 20% XP boost as well. So there we go. That's what's going on with Blocklords at the moment. As I say, the main game is pretty slow, and it also sort of works on real time. So you can't just leave things to idle. You have to have it's only a PC game, so you have the PC on sort of all the time. And it seems to have crashed now. There we go. What are they doing? Go pick some fruit. So it is a difficult game from that point of view, in the sense that you have to leave your computer on, which I've not been doing very well. But anyway, Dynasty is a way of sort of getting into it a bit more, and as you can see, some other sort of cool elements that can be brought in. So we'll see if that encourages me to play it anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. See you again soon.